Why am I making a video about Optifine, you may ask? It's not exactly new. It's not exactly unheard of. A lot of people use it. Well, I got a request from a friend to make a video on it, and then I just rediscovered how absolutely bonkers Optifine is, and how it really is a game changer for Minecraft. And so, I said yes, I'll make a video about Optifine. So, let's jump right into it. Okay, so we've installed Optifine. Now we're going to have some fun and play Minecraft, because Minecraft is awesome, epic, and the best game of the decade, probably. Yeah, I'd say that. One of my friends will not even give Minecraft a chance. Please comment down below. Give Minecraft a chance if you want him to play it. And if I get enough of those, I'm going to somehow convince him to do so. Anyway, let's open up Minecraft first, because, you know, kind of have to open up to play it. I mean, here I am just stating the obvious. You're going to, I'm going to have to use the profile, Optifine. You know, if you're using the unmodded version. If you're using the modded version, obviously you'll open up your Fabric or your Forge or whatever else you're using. Or I think it has to be Forge, whatever. Anyway, so click play to launch it. Here I am again stating the obvious. If you've played Minecraft, you should know this. Why am I even saying this? I should probably just cut this part out, but I'm not going to. In the, yeah, for truth and honesty and all that. Anyway, so Minecraft's opening. Oh, camera's getting, like, very glitchy and everything. I don't know why it's happening. I hope sound is fine. Anyway. So, here we are. Here's, at first, an Optifine version will look just like a Minecraft normal version, basically, except it'll say modder down here. That's a clue. But everything will change when you get into video settings. Okay, so you got your normal settings right here. Okay, your graphics, smooth lighting, whatever, this stuff. But then there will be a lot of things that you didn't have before, like dynamic lights, shaders, details, animations, dynamic FOV, quality, performance, and other, of course. Okay, so what really are the differences? Well, in details, you can turn on and off a lot of details and change them. Animations, you can choose which animations you want. Dynamic FOV, that'll dynamically change your FOV if you have it on. All these quality settings, performance settings, other settings. Now, what's neat about Optifine is you can make Minecraft look really impressive and burn your hardware, or you can make it look maybe comparatively bad, but run on a potato because you just want to play some Minecraft. And it excels at doing both, maybe not as much as Sodium for the performance side of things, but Optifine is old and venerable. It's been around for a long time. It's trusted and has shaders. Shaders. These are the most important thing about Optifine, in my opinion. So right now it says I have no shaders, right? But we can fix that. So minimize Minecraft, window it, whatever. Download a shader from wherever, okay? Oops, I'm in the wrong folder. So I've already downloaded a couple shaders just to use as tests. And in .minecraft, which I showed you how to get to earlier, click on the shader packs folder, which should have installed when you ran Optifine for the first time. So if you haven't run it yet, run it once. And then, did I say go to the folder where you have your shaders? If not, then here we go. And I picked a couple shaders. Complementary shaders. These are just your standard run-of-the-mill shaders. Make Minecraft look better, but they're not necessarily anything special. And then we got Seuss PTGI. And this right here, my friends, is ray tracing. Ray tracing in Java Minecraft. And you can even run it on a GTX card. Okay, so just drag them into the shader packs folder. Whichever shaders you want to use. Go back into Minecraft. Let's make it full screen again. It's going to black screen in OBS for a second. Sorry about that one. And now we're going to play a little game called Let's Burn My PC to the Ground. First, we're going to start with just the standard shaders and the normal Minecraft texture pack, okay? 3 levels, okay? This is going to take a second to install, but... Not install, but load. But what's happening? Let's explain this, okay? First level, we're just going to have the complementary shaders in the Minecraft resource pack. Minecraft normal resource pack. Second level, we're going to add in a special resource pack that is a lot more blingy, a lot more realistic, a lot more high resolution. And third level, which will probably just send the temps to God knows where, we're going to add in ray tracing. It's going to be like 20 FPS, it's going to be terrible. It might decrease the lifetime of my computer by a few years, but it's worth it for my viewers. Anyway, let's open up. This is just a random creative world I was using to test out my shaders and whatever. So here we are. It should just take a second to load. Okay, we got a few things on hand. But first of all, you can see Minecraft looks a lot better. Like a huge amount better, especially the water. This water's beautiful. It doesn't look quite as good when you're under the water, but it's fine. Now, how many FPS am I getting? 40 FPS, not terrible. Very playable. Not the best, but I don't have the best GPU either. I have a GTX 970 for your information, single fan. Probably gonna die. Okay. Then, sorry, I don't know what I was going on about there. That's just the trailing thought. Okay, now let's make it night. And let me show you a few other things. Okay, so it's nighttime. Here's something cool, okay? So, when I'm holding something that emits light, it'll just emit light, okay? Without me even having to place it down like that. This will not affect, like, actually how mobs spawn or anything, but it looks nice, it's a lot more realistic, it could be helpful if you're in survival mode and you just want to see in a cave and you don't care about actually lighting it up. This looks pretty. I'm just gonna put that out. Yeah. Okay. We're gonna stand here now, and we're gonna change our resource pack, and I'll show you why I actually put these here and for what purpose. Because right now it doesn't make a lot of sense, but will in a second. So let's change our resource pack to Modern Arc. It says it's incompatible, but it actually does work. I have tested it. Modern Arc is a resource pack that aims to make everything look more realistic, just in general, in Minecraft. And what's really neat about it, though, is the reflections when paired with the shaders. You see that? See how it's reflected in the block? But it doesn't quite look realistic, right? It's getting there, but I mean, you see the reflections in the block here as well, in my hand. It's getting there, but it's not quite there yet. Okay. It looks nice, but it's not quite perfect. It doesn't have that feel, you know? All that will change when I pull out ray tracing. My FPS will also change to basically frame by frame, so watch out for that. You know what? Let's do it. Why am I just talking to you and not showing you stuff? Let's do it. Seuss PTGI. Here we go. We're doing ray tracing. I'm gonna kill my computer, but it's fine. I'm doing it for my viewers. Okay, so 3, 2, 1. Boom. Look at that. Like, just look at that. Look at these reflections. Look at this. These blocks now glow. Let's pull out something like... Let's see something, like, reflective, but not, like, that doesn't produce light. Like, I don't know. Smooth quartz block, okay? Let's place it down. Let's get some lights out here. Oh, hey. It doesn't actually. Oh, it does reflect a little bit. See that, though. This is perfect. This is ray tracing. This is next gen. This is Minecraft ray traced with a cool texture pack. And a GPU that is not capable of running this to its full quality. Basically. So, I mean, oh, I want to show you a couple things in the daytime. And then we'll get to, I don't know if I want to talk to you about any other stuff. I don't plan videos or anything in advance. Oh, that looks bad. That looks terrible. But, okay. I want to show you a couple things. Like, oh yeah, this bookcase. Look at this. It's got, like, actual books. Has nothing to do with the ray tracing, but it's just really neat in general. And it's, like, all 3D and everything. It looks so real. Also, the water. Look at under the water. Now, with the other thing, it looked just fine looking above the water. While under the water, it was kind of lackluster. Now, with ray tracing, it looks nearly perfect. Well, I guess that's really all I can show you of the gameplay, you know? For the rest of it, you can figure it out yourself. And everything will look awesome. I recommend the resource pack. It's called Modern Art. I may or may not talk to you after this gameplay. I don't plan these things, as I said. So, maybe see you in a second. Bye.